Virtual open houses and tours can help your listing stand out and attract buyers by increasing your pool of potential customers from local to nationwide to global views. Here are simple steps to creating virtual tours or open houses using Miami products and services. Step 1. Research. Click MLS, access the right resources right now, and preview the best resources to create in-person open houses, as well as virtually everything you need for virtual tours, such as hosting a virtual open house. Here's a checklist. Also access a list of our free virtual tools and our discounted virtual tools to assist. Matrix makes setting up a virtual open house or tour easy with ImmoViewer or Property Panorama. Let's jump into it. When inputting your listing, choose under Financial and Office Information. Website address, video, virtual tour, and photo instructions are available. Your options include input your own URL or choose between ImmoViewer if selected yes, or Property Panorama if selected no. Unbranded tours are automatically created. You can share your link on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or via email. They also reside within your MLS for viewing. Both ImmoViewer and Property Panorama automatically create your virtual property tours using your listing data. Both are updated and automatically attached to your MLS and available for sharing on social media. Matrix also makes setting up your open houses easy, both public and virtual. Click Add Edit, select your listing, and scroll down to Open House. Select your open house type, broker only, public, virtual broker only, or virtual public. Select your date, start time and end time. Feel free to add a description and input your recorded open house URL or live stream. Input more than one for additional exposure. Click Submit Listing when done. Did you know virtual tours can also be set up in a few clicks using Agent 3000? Let's do it now. This upgrade is available on the left-hand side in your menu. Click Virtual Tours. Input your MLS number. Select the property and drag the photos into place. A best practice tip is to add a description. You can choose to keep them branded or unbranded, depending on how you'd be marketing. If you are branding, you can select from the options below, as well as select an audio. You have 12 to choose from. Tap to hear. When satisfied, click Create Video. The video will be processed and you'll receive an email when ready. When marketing your virtual tours on the MLS, they must be unbranded, but on your own social media, feel free to brand them. Once your video is created, you'll have the option to view the video only, the branded video page, and the unbranded video page for sharing. Let's click to preview. Sharing is easy towards the bottom. There's more. Use the Remind app in order for you to be able to get additional exposure by scheduling virtual open houses or tours. How do you do it? Under My Listings, click your listing and select Create Live Open House towards the bottom. Select your date. Select if you wish to stream your open house with Remind. Choose your start time and your end time. You can even select your client to help you host. Click Create to post your Remind. Aside from that, you have a section where you have My Remind Live. In this area, you can see any of your scheduled virtual open houses or virtual tours, and then anything that you've had previously. If any agent has scheduled a Remind tour, they can watch from Watch Remind Live. Miami products and services like the Broker Open House website and the South Florida Open House website allow for your virtual tours and virtual open houses to be highlighted to our consumers. Also available on miamirealtors.com under Consumers Open House Search. Always more with Miami.